How to fix Coins.ph ID verification failed BSP compliant. Now to fix your failed Coins.ph ID verification, visit the identity verification page within your Coins.ph app. So log into your account and go to that exact page, and there you'll see the exact reason for your ID rejection. A pop-up or text will guide you on what needs to be corrected. Maybe it was the lighting, or maybe some information did not match the information within your account. So you can try to just resubmit with those corrections by tapping on the try again button to upload a corrected ID and selfie. Make sure the photo of your ID has a clear, unobstructed view, no glare or shadows, and that all text is readable. You must also meet the specific requirements for verifying your Coins.ph account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.